We've had a lot of questions about what the process is. It's very simple. The first step is coming down to the shop and selecting from our many selections. That determines the color, which determines the price, and then also seam placement if there's a lot of movement in the slab. The second step is getting your information, name, address, and email. Then we'll set up a measure. We'll come out and measure. Then we will email you the bid with the price and then the estimated time for installation. You'll put down a 50% deposit, and then from the day you put down a 50% deposit, it's 2 to 3 weeks from the time that you'll have your new countertops installed. The installation process takes about 2 hours, give or take a little, depending on the size of your kitchen.